Hey everyone, it's Dr. Krad. Cataract surgery is a big decision. It's a procedure that directly impacts your vision, and you want to ensure you have a surgeon who prioritizes your needs. How can you be sure you're getting the best advice? It can be hard to know, but I'm going to give you some red flags to look out for. The last one is particularly controversial. Remember, these don't speak to an individual surgeon's skill level, as they may perform excellent surgery, but these red flags are a sign of a surgeon who may not have your best interest in mind. Although I always try to make a recommendation based on what I believe will make a patient happy with their vision, I'll also be the first to tell you that there is a real conflict of interest that can influence any surgeon, even unintentionally, no matter how honest they are trying to be. Do you know your surgeon will make more or less money depending on which lens implant you choose for your eye, or based on if you choose laser-assisted surgery versus manual cataract surgery without laser? The good news is that despite frustrations of low insurance reimbursement, I've found that most surgeons, not all, but most surgeons I've met are really trying to do what's best for their patients. But at the end, we are all human, and to some degree, we are all influenced by money, even if it's unintentional. As eye surgeons, we need to provide patients with vision options that elevate their quality of life. At the same time, providing the highest level surgical care is expensive, and there's nothing wrong with getting paid well for our expertise as long as we're putting patient vision first. The first red flag to look out for has to do with flexibility. It's a red flag if your surgeon says, "This $4,000 lens implant is the only lens implant I recommend for you, otherwise you gotta go somewhere else." Or, "I will only do your cataract surgery with laser and it costs $2,000, or you're best off going to somewhere else." Similarly, it's also a red flag if your surgeon says, "I only implant basic monofocal lenses covered by insurance." This could be a sign of a lack of experience with new technologies or a reluctance to invest in them. In any case, they are blocking your access to some very amazing technology. Lack of flexibility is a red flag. It's a good sign if your surgeon offers flexibility and gives you at least a couple options. At the very least, they should be able to offer you a reason why they are recommending one option versus another. If they can't, seek another opinion. On to number 2. A second red flag to look for is if your surgeon takes time to answer your questions. You're going to have cataract surgery once in your life. This will determine how you will see the world around you. How can you make the right decision about your surgery if your surgeon is not there to help guide you? Remember, this is more than just about surgical skill. It's about finding a doctor who will listen to your needs and recommend the best treatment options for you. They should be able to patiently answer at least a few of your questions. If your doctor can't spend 5 minutes with you to address those questions, then they may also be quick to dismiss you if an issue comes up after surgery. Now, everyone needs to be reasonable. If you are the type that has 75 questions, or perhaps you want to write down every word the doctor says on a piece of paper for yourself to review later, it's perfectly reasonable that your surgeon delegates another staff member to help answer those questions, and that they provide you some resources to do some research on your own time. And on to my third red flag. Some surgeons may get mad at me about this last red flag. It may be controversial, but this is my personal opinion and I'm going to share it with you. Most cataract surgeons in the United States take insurance, like 99% do. Ask your cataract surgeon's office what percentage of their patients choose a basic surgery, all covered by insurance, versus what percentage of their patients upgrade their surgery with premium options such as advanced technology lens implants or laser-assisted cataract surgery. Perhaps it's 50-50, half of their patients undergoing basic cataract surgery, all covered by insurance, and the other half utilizing some sort of upgraded technology. But there are two extremes you will run into, both being red flags. If someone tells you 100% of their patients get basic surgery, meaning a basic lens without laser, in my opinion, this is a red flag. I mean, really? They can't find one patient that would benefit from reduced astigmatism? Not one patient that wants to read without glasses? To me, it's a red flag that they are underutilizing technology that could be helping you. Premium lenses and laser surgery can significantly improve vision for many patients. On the other hand, if they say 99 to 100% of our patients utilize either upgraded lens technology or laser, again, really? Perhaps they're a bit pushy. Are 99 to 100% of their patients actually good candidates? Let's say if a patient doesn't want an upgrade and is okay with glasses for everything, far and near, is a basic option offered? Even if a practice was in Beverly Hills, do rich people never have contraindications? Do they not get diabetic retinopathy or macular degeneration? If someone is upgrading 99 to 100% of their patients, this may indicate an overemphasis on selling premium options rather than focusing on individual patient needs. Do I know what percentage split is reasonable? No, I don't. But I can tell you that if a surgeon pretty much only does upgraded surgery or only does basic surgery, you should consider getting another opinion. Of course, this doesn't apply to parts of the world where access to advanced technology is limited. I'm curious, what do you think about these red flags? Leave a comment down below. I hope you found this video helpful. I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.